What's up? It's His&Her Hemi, and today we're gonna be doing the active exhaust delete, I guess. Just using these two. Basically, it'll make the car louder at idle. That's really what we want.
Open it up a little bit. That's what we need.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I thought I would be able to do it without the jack, but nah, we gotta go up.
Yeah, we gotta lift
it. It is what it is. Look at this rubber. It's from the other day.
This is it.
Crazy.
It's on there. Oops. It's bad. Oof. Love it.
Yeah, and this process is really simple. It's 3 bolts on each of the exhaust delete or whatever it is, the system. I'll show y'all. I think they're size 8, so nothing hard.
Like a dream.
Like a dream. What did I say? Ugh.
Easy money.
Easy money. And honestly, that's probably, we don't even need much clearance.
We got the size 8.
Size 8 on here. Alright, I just lifted the car up, and like 5 seconds after I was done, the alarm started going off like that. So at least we know it worked.
Hell yeah. At least we know that nobody can jack up our car, or we'll hear them. First of all, we'll hear the jack, number 1. But number 2, the car is like, what are you doing? Don't touch me. So yeah. So that's it. At least we know it works.
You see? She's gonna pass out to me, and that's all rubber right there. But here we go. That's what we're looking at, those 3 silver bolts. Just loosen them. I'm gonna take this cover off and show y'all what's inside real quick. Give me like 2. So I opened it up. This is what we're looking at. Sorry, the camera's angle's kind of weird. Not the best. This is the spring that we have to remove right here. And this is the thing that opens and closes right here. Closed, open. And Mopar Life, if you go to his video, you'll be able to see what exactly is going on the inside. But this position is open. This position is closed. So we're leaving it open. I'm gonna get a zip tie. I'm gonna run it through. There's a couple little holes right here that you can run the zip tie through to hold it in this open position. So.
And this doesn't do any check engine lights?
Yeah, no check engine lights. Remove this spring. All right, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like whenever I have the zip ties on. Can you give me something to cut that with, or a knife or something?
Oh yeah, let me go run it. All right, we forgot you kind of need some scissors to shorten them with. Here you go.
Yeah, I accidentally put it. Well, I'll put it on just to make sure. Okay. Thank you. Can you see on that side?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got the trash scissors.
Sorry.
You suck.
I just grabbed the first pair I saw.
Okay. Just slide this back on and reinstall these 3 things. Make sure yeah, it's in an open position. Just make sure, just to double check. And then just reinstall these right here. This one.
Why something make you bleed?
All right, so we're lowering it. We gotta go to the other side, do the exact same thing.
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, we'll just speed up through this process. Y'all seen it already.
Yep.
Y'all know what to do. We know what to do. And it's real simple. I mean, we would have been done by now if I'd have to bring the jack out and stuff, but you know. now it is.
This car is so low.
Yeah, for real.
But yeah, we'll be back.
Take this out. And that's closed. This is open. Just reinstall this. Nice and tight. Reinstall this.
Alright, he's just tightening it and then should be it. You see all that rubber? Oh my god. Dang. Anyways. And then we'll show y'all what it sounds like after.
Okay. It's deeper, yeah. This is completely stock. We haven't, this is technically our first exhaust mod for free.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We paid a couple cents for the zip ties.
Oh yeah, a couple cents, you know, cheapest mod, my bad.
Cheapest mod.
Yeah, not bad. We're gonna take it around the block.
Yep.
Let's see what's up real quick. Wide body? Oh, I didn't even see it. Yeah. It sounds a little more, there was more gurgles in it. I don't really know how to explain that. It's a lot deeper at the end of the day. It sounds nice. Oh wait, there we go. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? 1320. But we're pulling over real quick. I'm gonna hop out, just get some rear view audio of her taking off, well, and video, both of them. But yeah, real quick. All right, I'm hopped out. Sounds a lot more deeper. Look at that tire. Sad tire. Okay. Hey, cheapest exhaust mod for your active exhaust 2019. I don't even think it's just it's definitely not just Scats. I don't know how far down the level trims it goes, but it's definitely not just. Oh yeah. That rubber. So, what are we thinking?
I fuck with it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You can definitely hear it,
A
right?
little different. It doesn't sound as stock for sure.
Yeah. Even though, I mean, it is just a little, you know, just a little bit. Yeah, just zip ties. That's all it is. But I'm gonna get some revs in real quick. Hold on. Always we gotta rev it. One more time. Yeah. I like it. Definitely good. But she hopping out, letting the airplane pass. Yeah, that's about it. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
You know the drill?
You know the drill, and there's definitely more coming to this. I mean, this was just something I wanted to see what's up.
Yeah, there's no check engine light, no nothing. Like, it shouldn't void warranty or nothing like that. So it's just like
Yeah.
perfect little first cheap little mod we could do. So
Yeah, I love it too. Cause like, who wants their car? You want the car quiet? No, that's not why we got the 6.4 big engine, for it to be quiet. Like, nah. And with the 3-inch exhaust, nah, that's not meant to be quiet at all.
yeah.
But yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Yep.
Astro Boy.